I recently bought this bottle of perfume. It's from Davidoff Cool Water Wave Eau de Toilette. It's 125 milliliters. I hope it's good. Now I'm going to unbox it. Let's put it here. And I'm very curious about this bottle. I heard only good things about it. I heard that it's very good. Summer fragrance. Let's open it. Okay, cool orange. This is the bottle. Bottle is blue. It has a bluish tint, and the liquid inside, I think it's transparent, but I'm not sure. This is the bottom. Davidoff Cool Water Wave Eau de Toilette. Okay, now let's smell it. It smells nice. I sprayed it on my hand. Smells really good. I like it so far. So this was my unboxing and short review. This was my unboxing for Davidoff Cool Water.